Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty lag using the latest technical diagnostic protocols. Let's get into it. First, initialize the Technical Studio Resource Optimization. Open your Task Manager and Technicality, identify any studio-level software such as browser tabs or unnecessary overlays that are consuming CPU cycles. End these non-essential tasks to Technicality, clear the path for the game engine to utilize 100% of your available system power. This step technicality aligns your professional hardware with the latest software patches, ensuring a high-end handshake between the GPU and the game interface. Next, configure professional driver and registry logistics. A high-end latest workflow requires technicality in how your operating system handles input data. Driver latency is a mechanical necessity for feeling laggy, even when your frame rate is high. Perform a clean install of your GPU drivers and technicality disable full-screen optimizations in the game's executable properties. Set your Windows power plan to high performance to ensure your CPU never downclocks during critical latest matchmaking moments. It technicality clears the path for the latest Warzone or multiplayer build to process your inputs instantly, maintaining a high-end professional experience. And lastly, restart your system to technicality, clear the cache, and finalize all latest settings. Once the game technicality initializes, your studio setup is back to normal, ready for high-end, lag-free competition. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.